Yeah, it's Darren here. We're at Blue Waters, which is just out of Creswick. It's only about 2 k's out of Creswick. Beautiful spot, as you can see. The reason they call it Blue Waters is because the water looks a little bit blue. But what it is, it's an old dredge hole. Now, a dredge is like a floating factory that the buckets went down, picked up the gravel, brought it to the floating platform, washed the gravel, and retained the gold. But yeah, look, it's no good for detecting in this type of area, but yeah, because the gold is just too deep. But during summer, it's a local swimming hole, and there's actually good fish in here, good redfin fish for fishing. But there is gold over further, but just don't waste your time around here. If you're looking for coins and relics, because a lot of people come swimming here, when it dries up, you go around the edges and you will find coins. Coins and, yeah, I actually found a gold ring here many years ago. It was a 9-carat ring down there. But yeah, just a pretty place. If you're around Creswick, come and have a look.